Imagine artificial intelligence that not only writes texts, but also sees and understands our world and acts independently. An AI that not only functions as a chatbot, but also navigates factory floors as a robot, masters traffic as an autonomous vehicle, or solves complex tasks in the real world as a virtual assistant. No longer distant science fiction, it is the next major revolution in AI research, driven by so-called world models. And tech giants such as Google, Meta, and Nvidia are already investing billions to shape this future. So far, we are mainly familiar with AI in the form of large language models such as ChatGPT. Think of a world model as a kind of internal simulator, an intuitive understanding of physics that an AI has in its head. It learns how objects will behave and react. A world model learns by observing, just like a human baby who learns that a ball rolls and a tower of blocks falls over when you push it. The key difference between language models lies in the input and the target. The physical economy is 1,000 times larger than the digital economy. The market for robots, for logistics, for manufacturing, for everything we can touch is enormous. That is why experts are talking about physical AI as the next billion-dollar market. Those who achieve a breakthrough here will shape the future of industry, work, and our everyday lives. It watches videos of people performing a task, such as clearing a table, and deduce the necessary sequence of actions from this. The internal model of the world helps them understand the scene and plan their actions, even if the objects on the table are arranged slightly differently each time. At first glance, this may just sound like a cool video editing feature, but the underlying technology is fundamental of physics and the interaction of objects. In the long term, this technology could form the basis for advanced augmented reality glasses that provide us with contextual information about our real environment. A robot can fail thousands of times virtually without damaging expensive hardware. Another problem is the so-called sim-to-real gap. And security is also important. A language model that talks nonsense is annoying. In logistics, autonomous vehicles and delivery drones will benefit from this intuitive understanding of the world to navigate more safely and efficiently. Even in the gaming industry, world models could provide more realistic non-player characters that respond intelligently to the player's actions and create a more dynamic, believable game world. We are at the beginning of an incredibly exciting development. Artificial intelligence is currently learning to open its eyes and take its first steps in our world. What do you think about this? Do you believe that robots and AI will soon be able to operate independently and safely in our real world? Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about the future of technology, watch the long video and leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.